So here we go. Good morning. So here I'm going to show you how to make a delicious super green drinks that not only is going to fulfill you, but it'll help you alkalize your body. So today we start the liquid feast, and we're going to start it with first thing in the morning. You have a green drink with your water. So you can add greens, and some of the greens that I have wheatgrass shots. I have organic wheatgrass. Any of these will work. You can get a protein superfood greens, and of course you can have super greens, anything that has, like this one has wheatgrass, kale, moringa, spirulina, any green that you wish. So the idea is for you to make it healthy and delicious. So the green drink is super simple. So you just add a scoop of whatever those greens into your water, and then you drink it. So for the super energizing drink and fulfilling drink, so this one will actually help you feel really full. Number one, we're gonna start with some frozen avocados. You can do fresh avocados. You can do a whole fresh avocado, or I'm going to choose to use the half a cup. I'm gonna put 1 cup of the avocado. That will be the only type of fat that I'm going to eat. I'm not gonna have any animal fat, just gonna be the fat from the avocados, which is loaded with vitamin E and anti-inflammatory properties. So next thing that we'll do is we're gonna have a handful of spinach. And then we're gonna add 1 whole glass of water. Then for mine, I'm going to use 1 scoop of wheatgrass. Did you know that wheatgrass, it has the same construction as hemoglobin? In other words, is you have the center atom and the plants or wheatgrass is actually chlorophyll, and the center atom of hemoglobin is iron. So we have basically the same structure. So this is like giving yourself a blood transfusion, if you will. So I'm gonna do one tablespoon of the wheatgrass, and not so overloaded. That's what I will put in the water too. I mix and batch. That's why I have different type of greens too. Like moringa is so great. Kale is great. So, okay, so that's that. And now we're gonna take a half of cucumber. So cucumbers lowers like the cortisol levels, and it cools down your body as well. So this is the seedless cucumber, or what they call English cucumber as well, or hothouse cucumber. So this is gonna be amazing. If you don't want that much, you can divide the cucumber into 4ths and just put 1/4. I'm like kicking it up here. Then I'm gonna have a whole lemon. The key to the lemon is for you to get the vitamin C out of the pith, which is basically just outside the skin. So just skin it up, all the yellow, but leave the white part, because that's the part that we are going after, the vitamin C that will also help you bind the acids, okay? Because it is very alkaline. So lemons, even though they feel a little bit, they're acid when you taste them, when you actually eat them, it metabolizes as a great alkalizing agent. So here we go, the whole lemon. I don't even bother taking the seeds. I don't care. So that's that. You can add a little bit of to make it flavor it up. You know, I can put a little bit of mint, but that's up to you. You don't have to. That's like my own thing, because mint is very alkalizing too. The other thing that I could do is put a little pinch of sea salt. That's just for flavor, not so much for function. So now the key is, where is my thingy? I knew I would do a disappearing act. So here we go. So screw it on really good. I usually like to use, like if I'm doing for several, you know, for 2 or 3 drinks, then I like to use like a big blender, my high-speed blender. No, stop, it's not totally secure. That's the nature of the trade sometimes. That's why I like to use the blender, no mistakes. But in the meantime, we're just gonna use this because I already started it here. It's gonna be delicious. You can put cilantro. If you want to speed up your metabolism, you can put half of jalapeno, but I don't know if I recommend jalapeno, honestly, not the first day that you're cleansing. So, see, I'm one to go take action now, because now I'm on a journey, not to get rid of fat, but to get rid of acids in my body. I realized that acid equals pain. Okay, and pain equals inflammation, and that's what I have. So here you go, to your health, nice and thick. Taste this in the pudding. Delicious. I got a little lemon peel. Actually, it's a little peel from the seed of a lemon. Well, it'll do, because now I'm on a roll. Yes. Thank you for watching. Until then, have a happy, healthy, and wealthy day. Cheers. Go green. Alkalize or die.